Hi there, it's Kate from the Oak Lawn Public Library, and today I'm going to talk to you about Beanstack. First, you need to download Beanstack from the App Store or Google Play. Next, you are going to open up Beanstack, and what you'll see is a few screens here. The first thing is Beanstack's going to want to know how you're going to participate. So click at My Library. Next, you are going to find a site. Then you're going to tell Beanstack that you are using it through Oak Lawn, and you'll pick Oak Lawn Public Library, Illinois. At this point, you'll enter your email or phone number. And if you've already registered, you're going to use the email or phone number that you gave us at the desk. And if you don't have an account, however, you're going to click down here. Beanstack's got an easy registration process that you'll use, and you just put in a bunch of things. You don't need to have a library card number in order to register with Beanstack. And when you add your password is going to be the word Beanstack, all one word, all lowercase, and that will get you right in. So let me show you what it looks like when you open up Beanstack. First, like I said, you're going to log in and all that, and then if you have already registered into Beanstack, you'll want to add the Hundreds Club. Now, I've already added the Hundreds Club, so it shows up right on my menu here, but if you are just adding in the first time, the Hundreds Club, unfortunately, isn't going to show up immediately on your screen. What you'll have to do is scroll down to see the Hundreds Club. So if you're opening Beanstack for the first time, when it shows the challenges, what it's going to show you is that you haven't enrolled. And so you'll just scroll down, and then you'll click the Hundreds Club, and you'll be in. So you'll click the Hundreds Club, and you'll add it. Now, one reason we think it's so important to show you how to use the app is great for the Hundreds Club. It wasn't so great for the Summer Reading Challenge, which is why we haven't talked about it with you before. But all you need to log your book is you click this plus button right here, and then you're going to tell it that you want to log reading. Some people enjoy writing reviews, and there are some great reviews of books from other Oak Lawn patrons, and that's pretty easy to do, but let's look at logging reading right now. So we'll go in here, and then you can search for a title of a book that you read. Let's say you read the book Persuasion by Jane Austen. And Persuasion's an old book. It's a classic. I'm going to pick this one. It's not the exact cover of the one that I've read. And I'm going to click Save. And I am going to next click Quick Complete because I have finished it. And I have logged the reading and earned a badge. And if you've been in the Hundreds Club for a little while, you know that we are earning lots of badges. And if you want to see the badges that you've earned, you'll just click here. So the other thing that you can do is log reading with no title. So again, you'll click that plus at the bottom. And let's say I read a book and Beanstack it doesn't have the book in its system. So in that case, I'm going to just click 1 and I'm done. And I have now read another book, which you can see at the bottom. And just, for fun, let me show you all the badges that I've gotten. Hey. So don't forget to come in and get your treats. Anyway, we think that the app is just great for the Hundreds Club. We're so glad that you're in, and we can't wait to see you at our next social gathering. Have a great day, and don't forget, log your reading.